My name is Sam Rowe. I work with Grytfit and I'm Director of Marketing. So Grytfit provides flooring solutions for both commercial and home gyms. We have a wide variety of rubber flooring products as well as turf. And so we just try to find the right product for each customer we have that has different goals and kind of different things that are important to them. So we have a good mix of retail sales, like in-store, brick and mortar sales, as well as e-commerce. So we have a website. We also have several pickup locations around the Midwest. We're based out of Columbus, Ohio, so we have a lot of walk-in customers there. But we also do a lot of online sales, and we ship nationwide. So we do both online and in person for sure. So actually, before we worked with Lantern Soul, we had a website. It was very, very basic. It did not look like I would picture a professional company looking like. It was kind of like a mom and pop shop that I built on Shopify, not knowing much of anything, to be honest. And so we at first contacted Lantern Soul to help us just build our website, which they did do that. And they did a fantastic job. We could not be happier with our website. And once we had our website, though, we then wanted to start advertising our business as we were growing at that point as well. It kind of just seemed normal just to kind of expand our ads. And that is a world that we were not too familiar with. We had a little bit of ad experience, but not much. And so we leaned on Lantern Soul to kind of navigate the world of ads and how to manage them, how to set them up so that they're optimized, so that we're not, throwing ad money away. And so that's kind of when we started really working with them more regularly, is them just managing all of our ads. When we first started, we sell rubber mats primarily. We sell a lot of different types of rubber products for gyms, but as you might imagine, there's a lot of different keywords that people search for when they're looking for gym flooring. But there's also a lot of search results that, for car mats or, anti-fatigue mats, things like that we're actually spending money on, unbeknownst to us, just not really knowing the ad world that well. We were targeting, I would say, hundreds of keywords that had nothing to do with gym flooring that we were spending money on. And so one thing that Lantern Soul has been meticulous about is picking out all these keywords that are not going to get us any revenue and do us any good, and they're really optimizing the keywords that we target so that customers seeing our ads are looking for actual gym flooring and not agricultural mats for their cows or something, or just a mat for their car. It's like these customers are actual customers of ours. And so it's very important in the world of ads to be spending money on customers that will actually buy from your company and not just random Joe Schmo that's like, oh, why did that pop up? Yeah, we don't want that. And we did not know that going into it. And like I said, Lantern Soul has been meticulous at optimizing our ads so that we're not wasting our money. Going into it, it's like I am a person that is trusting, but in the business world, if you're paying someone to do something, you obviously, you want to make sure that they are doing a good job and doing what they're supposed to be doing. And so, especially when it's an area where you might not be an expert yourself, it can be really hard to navigate. Are they actually doing a good job, and how good of a job are they doing if you're not an expert in that field yourself? So one thing that has been great for me to see is, one, Lantern Soul does educate me on kind of what they're doing, and they're more than happy to explain the reasons why they're optimizing our ads this way or that way, or making this change or that change. But also, as I've educated myself and learned this process over the last 6 months a lot better, I have come to realize that they are doing what they're supposed to be doing. And what makes me even more happy is I've realized they are going above and beyond what I would have expected from them to do. They're providing us with services beyond just optimizing our ads and managing those. They are helping our business as a whole. They're helping our whole customer experience from start to finish. And that's not something that I saw coming, and not something that I would have expected or thought less of them if they didn't do. But they care about our business a lot more than just getting a paycheck. That's been obvious. They're putting their heart and soul into this, and they're kind of viewing their success if we're successful. And so that's kind of how our ethos is with our customers. And so I can relate to that. I love that, because I'm not happy unless our customers are happy. And it has been apparent to me that Lantern Soul is not happy unless we're successful and happy. And so, like I said, they've gone above and beyond. They've done things that I would have not expected them to do that have helped our business tremendously. So I couldn't be happier with that. One thing that I think Lantern Soul does very well, as far as I can tell, everyone they hire is very personable. At this point, I've probably been in contact with maybe 8 to 10 different people at Lantern Soul, and I can confidently say that they have all been extremely kind, extremely easy to work with and easy to talk to. I actually look forward to our meetings because they are just good humans, and I can tell that they genuinely care about our company. They care about listening to our concerns and actually addressing them in a timely manner. They are extremely responsive when things pop up and questions we have or things that we want changed. They are very, very responsive for that. And that has exceeded my expectations in working with an agency. And that goes for everybody that I've worked with at Lantern Soul through the web design and through the ads. So going into this, kind of my expectations were that, they would manage our ads, they would run our ads, they would do some A/B split testing to see what played well. They'd have some good recommendations on how to spend money, where to spend money. Something that I did not anticipate that has exceeded my expectations is them actually coming up with content themselves, coming up with ad content and really good ad content that they are testing out different hooks and being pretty go-getter as far as, coming up with a lot of different new ideas and constantly trying new things. Also coming up with email chains post-purchase for our customer, coming up with follow-up email chains for abandoned cart customers. I was not expecting any of that, and that has really taken our business to the next level as far as professionalism and customer experience. Like I was saying before, they really do care about our customer experience, and that means a lot to me because so do we. And then this is they've come alongside of us to really improve that customer experience from start to finish. They also have even gone out of their way to, interview customers of ours and get testimonials. Things like that are things I never would have expected that I very much so appreciate, because that's really important to us to kind of capture our customer reviews. And they've kind of just taken that bull by the horns and really done very well with that. So I really appreciate it. Before we started working with them, we really didn't have any kind of flow as far as, post-purchase or abandoned cart emails. That was a big thing missing in our business. And so they came up with all of that on their own, and it looks really good. It's professional. It's a good timely, it's well thought out. It's a good strategy how they did it. And they also came up with a care guide completely on their own. That was something that they designed that we can give to customers every time they purchase, which is excellent. People love that because now we're showing customers that we don't just care about just making the sale to them, but we actually care about them being happy and maintaining their product. We don't want their product to go bad because of poor maintenance. We want them to be able to keep that gym floor nice that they just bought and to be proud of it and to be able to maintain it like they should. So that's been great. And they came up with that all on their own. Our business is growing fast. We are, expanding our product line, and Lantern Soul is kind of scaling with us. And so they are supporting us every step of the way as far as, how to scale our ads appropriately to match our expanding business and product line. And so they've been very thorough in that and had great strategy along the way to just help kind of direct us in how to grow as far as, the customer experience, again, from start to finish, and make that a very fulfilling experience that they are happy with. Lantern Soul does their due diligence as far as, when we have meetings, they're not like in discovery mode at that point. They have easy data points that I can follow along with. They kind of show what the growth is looking like and what the numbers look like. And it's very tangible and something that I can easily digest, where, we aren't spending our time there doing a lot of like digging into the numbers. They've already done that and done their homework and can show me, hey, this idea that we talked about last week or the week before, this is the new data on that, and it's either working or not working. And so if it's not working, hey, I've already thought we're going to go this direction because of this A, B, and C. And so they're always thinking ahead, and that does take a lot off of my plate because I'm able just to help in the decision-making process, but they present me with already well thought out options they are experts in. So kind of the direction, we can still control the direction that our company is going, but it is helps to have experts guiding us and telling us the pros and cons of each decision. And they are very good at doing their homework and just having things easily prepared so that we're not wasting time in our meetings and we're actually moving forward instead of like being stuck in like, okay, this happened last week. Like, no, they're doing enough work ahead of time to look to the future each time and So that's not wasting my time. It's actually making my time more valuable. So I appreciate that. Lantern Soul leads the light.